Okay, first let's do unboxing of the baking tray or the cupcake mold, uh, which I have ordered from Flipkart. Now, this is the bread mold or baking tray of brand Dragon One. Okay, and it's from, I think, Chennai. Okay, and the real name is bread mold or Dragon One cupcake or bread mold rectangle. Okay, and coming to the surface, it's coated with non-stick and it's perfectly lined without any damage. And the length of this is around 25 centimeter and the width is around 12.5 centimeter, and it's very shiny.
And this can be used for baking cakes like banana, walnut cake, dates cake, etc., which you need a brick like mold or rectangle shape. Okay, now let's come to the next thing, that is
Okay, now let's talk about the next thing which I bought. This is the cake cutter which I bought from Flipkart. It has a nice black handle and the length is around 12 13 centimeter, I think. It's not very lengthy, but it's fine, and it can be used, it's usable, but I haven't tried. I will give a detailed review after using it. And next what I got is 3 plastic scrapers. Okay, and that is for cake decoration. And you can see there is one comb and the other 2 scrapers for whipping uh, cream surfacing and leveling. Okay, the cake rotating table, this is something which I was waiting to buy because this is must for doing whipping cream and cake decorating. It's very small, but I think it's enough, and it's turning properly. And I'll give a detailed review after using it. Thank you for watching.